all the same. At the seaside. At the doctor's. At the baker's. At the chemist's. By the way. In the morning. In the daytime. In the afternoon. In the evening. In the country. In the present. In the past. In the distance. In the street. In the jungle. Just the same. On the whole. Out of the question. On the left. On the right. To the left. To the right. On the one hand. On the other hand. The other day. The day after tomorrow. The day before yesterday. The only. The same opinion. The more the better. To be under the weather. To do the dishes. To go to the theatre, cinema. To go to the country. To lay the table. To listen to the radio. To make the bed. To pass the time. To play the piano, the guitar. To tell the truth. To weather the storm.